Hello tech lovers, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us lectures on how to decorate your pin on Pinterest, right? So that you can be more consistent in 2025. To be consistent and to get that result, you have to create your pin like this. And I will create this. So this will take us like maybe 5 minutes to finish. But if you want to design like this or you want my template, I'm going to put this template in the description of this video, so kindly check it if you're interested in using my template. So to get started with this creation of our Pinterest pin to be more consistent in 2025, this is my Pinterest account, right? So you have to create your Google Doc, right? You have to create this. So you come to ChatGPT, and depending on your niche, you can do this for your Amazon affiliate also, right? But for this, I'm using impact.com as our case study, right? I did a full video about impact.com, so you can watch that video. So we're going to be promoting Namecheap, and to create the link and everything, you come to this side. I have a video on that also. Then you click on create. So as you can see, it has generated the pin, the link file. It has generated the link file images. So you just copy. You can just copy, and we'll come back to this. We'll copy this and use on our Pinterest account. So now we come to ChatGPT, and we tell ChatGPT to generate titles to use for my Pinterest pin to promote Namecheap on Pinterest. So I told ChatGPT to give me like 30 list, and it says here is a list of 30 Pinterest pin title to promote Namecheap. So I will use this on my cover page or my cover design on Pinterest. So as you will now copy what you've done, right? You copy it from 1 to 30. Yeah, you copy it from 1 to 30 and you put it on your notepad. You can have a notepad or you can get it on your Google Doc, right? If you have a Gmail account, you can always use a Google Doc, or you go to Google and type in notepad. So after listing my 30 topics, I will now come to Canva. So this is my Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, kindly sign up for one, right? I'll come back to home. It's a design, right? And is either you type our Pinterest, this is our Pinterest there, or you can search it from here. Pinterest. Yeah, you can search it from here, then you click or you use that. So it's going to give us a lot of templates to use. As you can see, we have lots and lots of templates to use. So I can choose this template, for example. I can choose another one. Let's choose another template. Then I will choose this one too, right? Because as I'm choosing, it will giving you options, right? So we have two designs here. So we come to click here, and I'll put my cursor here, right? And we come to the create. First and foremost, I'm going to copy this that I put on my notepad or my Google Doc. I'm going to copy this. So copy, then I come back to my Canva. Then you see this left side, right? You scroll down until you see create. Yeah. To have this access for create, you will need the Canva Pro, and you cannot use it on your mobile. It has to be in your laptop. Okay. So we click on populate. We're going to enter our data manually. We click on manual. I'm going to delete this column. I'll delete this and I'll paste my stuff here. As you can see, we have our 30 topics here. So then I click on done, right? So when you click on done, you click on connect data. You connect the data. So you click on link and you continue, right? And it will tell you generate 30 designs. If you want 100 designs, you can put 100 designs. If you want 200 designs, you can put 200 designs. But just put the one you can be consistent with. If you want 10 designs, you can also put 10 designs. But I'm going to schedule this for 30 days, right? So I'm going to click on generate 30 designs. So now, as you can see, we have 30 designs here, right? And you can try to put some, you can, let's do an example. Let me design one for us and I'll show you what I did at the end of the day. So you can always change your font if you want. So I'm going to use something like this. I will reduce the font to fit. Yeah, I will use the font to fit the box. You can have something like this. And as per this one, I can put my website www.zibetsolutions.com. Okay, then I can remove this if I want. Let's remove this. I can remove this, and I remove this one too, right? And I would increase this so it's visible. I can change the color to color this. Then let's give this color too. Let's change this color to be like this. Yeah. Well, you can choose more colors, right? You can choose more color. You can change it. You can just play with the colors, right? As you can see. And then if you go with this, so I'm going to change this. If I change it, I'll change this to white also, so it will be visible, right? So at the end of the day, you should have something like this if you are done with your design. This can take you, like, if you are very fast and professional, or should I call it expert, if you are very fast with your designing, this should take you like 1 to 2 hours to finish up with all the designs, right? And to upload on your Pinterest account, you can do it like every 7 days. You can only schedule for 7 days in a row, or 12 days or 10 days at a row. Okay, so you will have something like, so at the end of the design, you should have something like this, right? The design is beautiful. I'm going to drop the templates in the my comment section. Anyone that is interested can grab one. Okay, so I'm going to tell us, let's try and post one on our Pinterest account. Okay, let me click on this. Okay, then I will come to share, or perhaps let's share on, let's go to Pinterest straight. Okay, using our Canva. So this is my Canva, my Pinterest account, and I'm going to put a title here. Let me go back to ChatGPT because I told ChatGPT to create a title for me, right? So I can choose the title here. Let's call it online startup. Okay, then I come back to my Canva. I put the title here, paste. Then we can tell ChatGPT to create a short description for us. So I'm going to add my description here. Then if you want, you can add disclaimer, right? You come down and basically you put disclaimer to give you trust with your audience, right? And you say, I earn commission if you purchase using my link. Thank you for your support. You can put it in your own words, okay? Then this space also is for the Canva Pro. That is why I said if you want to take this to the next level, you have to sign up for the Canva Pro, right? So you can start your schedule. You can start for January 1st, okay, and schedule till 31st. So for this date, you can put, if on your schedule it, I'll put the I'll put the timing that you can schedule that will make your video go viral and easy to grab. So in order to add your board, okay, and this is to schedule for publish later, and we would publish now. So you can check out our post. This is our post on Pinterest, right? So guys, let's put our website and the link for them to go to. So this is our impact. So we're going to copy this, right? And we're going to have my website here, right? Where we're going to visit. And with this, you can put your direct link if you're using impact, okay? And you save it. So if we come to this list, it will direct you, as you can see, Namecheap. So you click on it or visit the site and it will directly to Namecheap to purchase your online stuff for your platform. Okay. I hope I hope you got value from this video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video, and drop a nice comment down there. Do not hesitate to ask me your questions. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye for now.